My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I worked at IRS for over a decade. I worked thousands of cases. I worked the offer program for used to accept and deny offers and compromise. And today I'm going to talk to you about the 1058 letter, which is a very important letter. It's the 1058 is the final notice of intent to levy in your right to hearing. By this time, you have received, I hope you've received, maybe you haven't, CP 14, CP 501, CP 503, CP 504, and this is the last in the line of all the letters. And from here on, it gets serious. If you don't respond to this letter or file a collection due process hearing, by the way, it's a one-page form. You can just download it and send it in. If you don't, IRS is going to lay the hammer. They're going to go ahead and most likely issue a bank levy or garnish your wages because this is a final notice and demand. They've given you 5 chances. So at this time, it's time to get your representative or to call them yourself. A lot of people who are on YouTube are self-doers, and you can call IRS and get your and see what they're going to do, but you're not going to have your best result. When I was a former agent, I used to love people who weren't represented. So at the end of this 30 days, if you do not follow up, the IRS system is already loaded to go ahead and send levies out. How do they do that? They get the information from third party 1099s and W-2. So all your levy information is in the system. So if you need more time, you can call IRS. If you have a serious debt over 30, 40, 50,000, you probably need to call a professional. There are 3 ways though that you are going to get this case closed, either by current hardship. You may currently not be able to pay. If you're broke, just call IRS yourself, or you can get installment payment with Internal Revenue Service, or you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar through the offer and compromise program. Whatever you do, make sure you have fixed the problem, you have enough withholding in the system or estimated tax payment made. Make sure that's in fact that's done, and make sure all your tax returns are filed. IRS is going to want to make sure the problem is completely fixed. So if you have any questions, you can call me or just talk to the professional, the person who prepared your return, but do not neglect this letter. Like I said, you can file a collection due process hearing. They give you the information right in there. What are the reasons? Well, you just can't pay, or there's a reason. Maybe the debt is wrong. Explain it to them on that collection due process hearing. Thank you.